Hello guys, it's me Yuki. Welcome to my channel, and just like before, this is another quick review of the Converse Chuck 7080CX High Black Egret, which is a unisex platform Chuck Taylor sneaker. So to start guys, let me give you a quick 360 view on this. This one has a leather finish which I really love since it gives a unique style on it, unlike the common canvas material that Converse usually offers. As you can see, the outer sole extends in front, which adds protection, and aside from the toe cap, there's another layer of cap lining on top of it, which gives this sturdy build quality feeling. The midsole material is made from what they call CX foam, which is kinda squishy actually and not hard solid, that I guess could be your first impression upon seeing this. Alright, as usual, we still have this standard Converse heel patch at the back. Another distinct feature of the sole is that it is a bit extended at the back around 1 inch with curvy outsole that can avoid back scraping due to friction while walking. May mga tao kasi minsan na I think pag gamit na gamit yung shoes ay napuputput agad yung likod ng sole. This also got diamond lug outsole which gives you good surface grip. The star ankle patch is actually stamped and not printed and blends well on the overall upper black theme. Okay, so there's nothing special with the eyelets and the shoelaces are just the usual design. Again, the semi-glossy leather material is so nice, it's like you're wearing boots and chucks at the same time, and the black stitchings are very neat. Okay, as we check here as well, nothing special in the tongue part, this is just the plain same leather material. As for the insoles, this one has the Converse name design, while the other one has the CX logo design which pertains to the midsole foam. The sole elevation or the additional height that this can give you is around 1.7 inches, which is almost 2 inches. So guys, medyo nakakatangkad ang feeling ng pagsuot nito. As I wear these, I'm very surprised that these are not that heavy compared on how this looks like, and I can feel that the midsole squeezing which make this comfortable to wear. As I said before, this will give you additional height. You can check the links in the comment or description in case you want this too. Overall, I really love the design and very comfortable to wear. So maganda at medyo class yung material finish niya guys, lalo na pag nagsisemi-glossy siya pag natatamaan ng liwanag. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my little channel and check my playlist for more review videos. Maraming salamat ulit guys.